Okay, everybody, new kit called Woodland Whispers. Now, this was a challenge. I'll tell you why it was a challenge, because the images out there are either a little bit twee or a bit like the Grim Reaper, really. The ones that, you know, that I sort of work with in the public domain and everything. I mean, I did get some from the Graphics Fairy, which is fantastic. Because I love this one, and that was from the Graphics Fairy, but a lot I took out of some of the, like, is it Go Ball or somebody like that? Can't quite remember. Not Go Ball. Oh gosh, there's two that do sort of fairy images, but a lot of theirs are quite dark. But anyway, Arthur Rackman, something like that as well. There's one. Anyway, enough of that. I just want to show you. I've done this one 8 1/4. I know I get a border. That's because I've used my laser. Okay, by 11. All right, because like I said before, I like my journals to be a little bit skinnier. Yeah, across that way. And also when you're printing in the US, this will fit your page a little bit better because it's as tall as I can go, but the width isn't so much, so you won't distort it too much when you print it. When you print this size in the UK, you need to uncheck your box fit to page. All right, and then you'll get the correct side. If you do fit to page, it'll pull it out, and you might even miss bits down here. Okay, so that's one. Yeah, I pulled all these out of other images, and then because this was a Graphics Fairy, so yeah, I was quite pleased with that. Yeah, and the quality wasn't fantastic as well, you know, because they're very old images, so I had to keep things like this quite small. Of course, the horses are out from Graphics Fairy there. Or unicorn, I should say. Yeah, there's another one. I love this one, actually. It's really good. And then put all daffodils all down here and everything. There's some sheep. So I think the sheep were with her in a picture. She was sat on the floor, I think. I thought she looked good sat on a mushroom. So put a giant mushroom there. And these the little people from the flower book. So I added butterfly wings to them. So I've made fairies out of them. Yeah, and I love this one so much. She is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. So sort of done a few daisies and things. And well, that image is stunning. So okay, then there's this page. I have used this fairy a couple of times because she's very pretty and I liked her, so I sort of used her, and then I thought, no, I'll leave her in because she's working, if you know what I mean. So, and that one out. But, yeah, and that one there. And used him again because he's just so beautiful. And I thought I'm going to do another kit with just some images, you know what I mean? But this is plenty enough to do a journal. And then I've all backgrounds here. These are full A4 or full scat, all right? So you uncheck your box, or you check your box for this so that it'll fit the screen because they're done bigger. Okay, because they are backgrounds, so don't want them the same size. There. Oh, I've printed a couple of those. Okay, like a coin envelope here. Okay. A couple of large envelopes. Right, and here's one of the tall pockets that I like making. It's just not tall pocket, it's like well, yeah, it is a pocket, but I like them because they fit down the page sometimes when I put sort of like half a page in, and I like them to be that size. some cut pockets and some pull pockets there. I've done 2 of the fairies there. And put her on one of those as well. And some butterflies. Yeah, there we go. Some journaling cards. And I thought, well, you could cut these out and do them back to back. And then you got your lines on the back if you wanted. That's there. There's that one. And some tags. And this one you can keep together actually, and it can go flip over the page. That one. And then some plain tags, you know, for writing on. They're always handy. I don't do enough of those actually, and I'm usually hunting around for something that will correspond with everything, so I put them in. And then some words and some ones that you can make your dangles out of. I do them 1 inch, but you can, you know, cut them smaller if you wanted, smaller ones. Those. And then I've got some tickets, banners, some page tabs. And that's it. Okay, well, I hope you like it. And like I said, it was quite a challenge to get sort of nice images. So, yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, well, thanks very much. Bye.